Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride our 1985 Mercedes 380 SL. Yes, of course, folks, everybody once loved these beautiful little Mercedes cars. Even so, we remember seeing them in our favorite movies. My special favorites when Sharon Stone backed it up in Robert De Niro's Cadillac in Casino. Very funny to watch. Yet again, sorry to be him. But even so, these cars are still fine and divine to take up and down the roads. Which even so, going to the fine car we have here featuring a beautiful gold exterior. Even so, you will see it has a gold hardtop, but yet again also has a convertible top. Best part about it is while you have every best function of the car, that's top of the line Mercedes for you. In fact, even so, we don't even want to be like that squad truck right there when you can drive the very cool SL Mercedes. But looking at it, you will see we have the appropriate style Mercedes wheels. We have that cool front end, even so with a small back end with trunk space. Look on the inside, you'll even see we have the automatic on the floor. Wood grain all the way around with the mixture of a dark brown interior. Fine bucket seats, and yes, even so, pull down armrest. But even so, best part about it, you have hidden compartments. Whether you want to put the fine hashish in there or even so, personal belongings. Definitely perfect to have. Looking at it from the cluster though, you have one of your many wonderful gauges come from your tach, your clock, your speedometer, even so your economy gauge to show you how well you're doing when you hit on the gas. You can even see it actually works as I pull full throttle. Even so with its big steering wheel, working horn, and yes, even fine audio system. How much more could you get better than that? With it, so you have power windows, you have the fine AC going right now, and even so you have your little inventions for the antenna, as so for your passenger side, very well spacious room. But I can't say the same for the back. But if you ever want to put a small person back there, and I mean a dwarf, maybe even those little minion decorations you want to put out front for Christmas, that is probably the only thing that will ever fit back there. But even so, looking at the engine bay, it is very clean, very well handling with power steering and power brakes, which we can demonstrate for you right now. As you can hear, we got no squealing in the brakes, and even so, giving it a little throttle, she's right on point. But as for now though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.